Hi, everybody. Michael Babcock again here from Cartridge World in McHenry County. Just going to follow up via our last episode that we talked about paper jams. We discussed that how static or having too much copy paper in a paper tray can create a paper jam. Today, I want to go expand a little bit further on that, other reasons that can cause paper jams. The two most common that I come across is the media types, which basically means what pound paper or what other type of media are they trying to print on. Thicker paper and higher gauge paper obviously can cause paper jams, struggle making it through a printer. Most people don't understand that when you're in your print function, when you go file, print, there is an opportunity to change the media that you're printing on. And when you do that, you'll notice when you click on, paper source as an example, it'll ask you, what are you printing on? Are you printing on envelopes? Are you printing on a 30-pound paper, 50-pound paper? Are you printing on a cardstock? The reason why it's asking you this is the printer will operate, the functionality of the printer will operate differently depending on what the media type is. It's a perfect example is a 50-pound paper that you put in there. If you don't change the media type that you're printing on a 50-pound paper, the fuser unit won't get hot enough to fuse the toner onto the paper because the printer doesn't understand that it's printing on a thicker media. So I always advise people, anytime you're going to be printing outside of as a standard 20-pound bond paper, always make sure you change the media that reflect what you're printing on. Other than that, between static and too much paper, as well as changing the media, most common is pickup rollers. If over time they get worn out, and as they get worn out, they need to be replaced. They're not so easy to replace all the time, so this is a perfect opportunity. And I think that the client should be contacting Cartridge World to have them come and service their printer. I did open up the back of my printer over here. And as you can see, there's not a lot of room to move around in here with everything. So having a customer trying to change pickup rollers isn't necessarily the best thing to do, and leave it to a professional. Remember what we always say, folks, don't try this at home. So, all right, well, thank you very much for your time today, everybody. Good luck with paper jams.